Adding a debit card on WorldRemit is a straightforward process that allows you to send money easily. Follow these steps to get started. Step 1. Create or log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the eshrock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to payment methods. Once logged in, go to the payment methods section. This can typically be found in the account settings or during the money transfer process. Look for an option that allows you to manage or add payment methods. Step 3. Select a debit card. In the payment methods section, choose the option to add a new debit card. You will be prompted to enter your card details, including the card number, expiration date, and CVV code. Step 4. Enter billing information. After entering your card details, you will need to provide your billing address. This should match the address associated with your debit card to ensure successful verification. Step 5. Confirm and save. Review the information you have entered for accuracy. Once confirmed, save your new debit card as a payment method. You may receive a verification email or notification to complete the process. Now you are ready to use your debit card for transactions on WorldRemit. Enjoy sending money securely and conveniently.